That bitch was really barking.
Not at the RT.
Oh yeah, you seen that little manji? Come on. Oh yeah. Good GT.
Come on, pipe down. Hold up, pipe down. What's up, man? Look, I'm stoked. Daddy pole, do the best, I take it stoked. Big nigga, same hoe. Just a payroll, and with my same hoe. What's the hell you want? I have a killer song. My nigga Kieran still on that bitch like my nigga. Got here for green and we got plenty of red, that's my nigga. Living wave across the head, the bang pop my nigga.
Alright boys, we pulled up to Nissan, man. We in the RT today. I ain't introduced y'all to the RT. Fuck talking about it, we finna slide now. Oh, they repaved it.
Mix it up with talk. I leave the link with hitters, nigga. Last thing you say is walk. Soon around that bitch like they talk. But they out there hit my phone, say he got caught with plenty wrong. Down man, how we know it? Gang. Fuck that trade, I never change. Check my chain, say NBA. Let me try to bust one brain. Hit it leg, no I should be. Pull up through same. Bitch, I live up to my name. Come on, she been sticking lane. I'm gon' make sure they won't make the fuck you first she go to work. She say our old name ain't work. She know young boy be working. Take that pistol straight from tape. I get paid millions every hour. I don't do no 50 fake. Hey, with me, bitch, I made them slimes go crazy. I'm in that bitch, I'm thanking God that I made it. I got plenty money on me, crazy. I leave guns shining on me, live every day. Get up for the spread, leave them dead. Hey, ain't my life not gonna mess in it, ain't my fault. But I know one thing, you better not call me.
Man, we picked up a motherfucking RT for a bed, bro. Y'all never believe me. Red guts. Come on, so I'm gonna you know, there is one thing though. I'm gonna get out and show y'all the one thing that's wrong with this bitch. This the RT, bro. If you listen, you hear that Hemi tick. Ticking like shit, but hey, we're gonna be recording. Alright, hold on. Today, man, we're installing the MaXpeedingrods T7 coilovers. I'm gonna swing for y'all right now. Get you a little outside POV, and then after we get done installing everything and getting everything right, we're gonna come back and do it again. Ooh. Did I break something? You're good. That's the problem with open diff. Your shit'll open up. Yeah, that's it. Hell no.
Turning it. Yeah, you're
Alright, bro. We ain't gonna swing no more. Y'all seen that, so.
Money on your head, real bad. I spent some money on her hair, then she was real bad. From the back, I made a little hand on her feel bad. Chain her in the place so that we see it like some real stats. I just flipped that, let him try to kill that. I just did some hard shit on live, somebody clipped that. Cop a watch and get my wrist back. She can't get on top because we might just have to miss that. I don't want a pink, but I sip that. If it's a gentle holiday, I'm going to skip that. As soon as gone on holiday, got boys big cat. Because his other friend was flip that.
MaXpeedingrods for sending these. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. If you guys don't know, my SC got T6 coilovers on them. I've been running those for a minute. Those are good. Today we got the T7 for the RT. SRT side skirts. Let's look at these real quick. These are Icon Motorsports. They look like SRT side skirts. Shit, I don't know. We're gonna see when we put it in. Alright, so we also went to AutoZone. Hey, y'all don't know, you can go to AutoZone and get the paint exactly what you need. PXA prices. For the side skirts, that's a little clear coat. Yeah. Alright, we got the top 3 loose. This one already tight on there. It's kind of hanging already. Then control arm, tie rod right here, or end link. My bad. And then we got the bottom coilover out. So basically, you just loosen this up, hammer that a little bit, it should fall right out. All right, got that out. First one out. On the stock shit, it's welded on there. You can't take this off. What we went and just got ain't even fucking working, so we gotta go back. All right, we back. All right, we got everything in on both sides. Got that new nut right there. Shit's good, perfect. Coilovers in, everything measured. Top tight on both. It's the next day. We're working on the rear. Just got this side done, everything tight. We're about to lower it, see what it's looking like. Perfect. All right, we just knocked this side out. Losing daylight. But let's drop it. Perfect again. All right, boys, we didn't get the SRT side skirts on, but we're finna get some more parts. We need some primers, some sandpaper, shit like that, but we got both. It's looking good, and I'm about to swing for y'all right now. Check this out, bro. I was thinking about doing the SRT rear, but that RT rear look good, don't it? Damn. I wonder who did that. Boys, MaXpeedingrods, y'all asked me for a road test. We do things a little differently. Let's do a swing test.